Hey you guys, I hope all is well with you all. I wanted to come in and show you guys another way to use your millet or to cook it. If you're eating cooked food, I have an instant pot here, and I have here a little bit of sea moss. I'm cooking this for my little one, and I'm gonna cook this for 20 minutes. That was like a half a teaspoon of sea moss. I cooked this for her. This is like her porridge. Um, okay, I've cut it on and I'm gonna press the porridge sign here and it's gonna cook for 20 minutes. Make sure your pressure is turned back, and that's what I did. It's gonna cook up the pressure, and when it's done in 20 minutes, then you will hear that. But right now it's getting ready to do the pressure. I highly recommend if you guys cook, you know what I'm saying? If you cook food, this is a good tool to have in the kitchen if you don't have time, you know. So, or if you just want to cook something, you know, to get more nutrients from it, pressure cooking is better than if you just boil it. You dig? Anyway, and this is another way you can use to another way to cook millet. And let me show you the millet that I use. This is the millet that I use. I got it out of Whole Foods. So yeah. So after this is cooked, I'm gonna put some coconut oil in there and some sea salt and onion powders, and that's what she's going to have. And sometimes she had it with coconut oil and date syrup. I used to use honey, but whatever sweetener you want to add, and it's very yummy. You can also make this as a rice or use it as a grit replacement. So many great things you can do with the millet. So this is going to cook, and then when she get up, her food will be nice, hot, and it'll keep it warm all day long, however long you want to keep it in here. So yeah, thousand roses, and I hope this helped you transition to the way of eating.